Welcome, my name is Petra. I am the founder of the Career Calling Clarifier system. What we will be talking about is the things you are willing to let go of. So what do I mean by things I'm willing to let go of? Well, many times we carry with us these limiting beliefs, these stories, these fears, these to-dos that we never get around to doing. And they slow us down. They take valuable energy from us, from moving forward into things that we really want to be moving forward in. And today what I want to do is want to shed some light on these, take them out of our heads, write them down on paper, and help yourself, empower yourself on your journey to achieving your dreams and your goals. So the first question I want you to write down is, what am I willing to let go of in anger, in upsets, in resentments? Now this is a big one. These are nice energy blockers and they seek your attention. They want, especially in the time when you don't want them in your head, they would definitely be there. So especially if you're unconscious of them, you can't just move them away. Be more aware of them and then let them go. So if you're honest with yourself, is there anybody you would like to forgive? Now, this might be a big thing, needing to forgive somebody at this stage. Maybe it's even you need to be forgiving yourself. Maybe it is a co-worker, your partner, a family member. Is there somebody you feel you should forgive but are finding it difficult at this point? What I want you to do is I want you to write down the names of the people and then to write down very short what the situation is. And then I would like you to forgive them, because this really releases you from these, because really they're sucking the energy out of you when you're focusing on this. And this isn't positive energy that you're gaining. You're actually ruminating in negative energy, energy that pulls you down instead of lifts you up and empowers you. Think of it this way. Holding on to these upsets, these angers and resentments is really sucking energy from you. And it's the same as you drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Now, forgiveness, when we start to forgive others, it doesn't mean that it makes what happened okay, but you are just accessing the state of forgiveness, forgiving somebody. What happens there is that you enter in a way into a alpha state. They talk about the alpha state. And this alpha state, you are more creative, you're more able to come up with solutions. So solutions to moving on with your dreams, your goals, etc. And Vishen Lakhiani, interestingly enough, talks about forgiveness being a learnable skill. Now this is powerful, because what this now tells us is that it's not about I can't forgive somebody, it's about how can I learn to forgive somebody. And this puts you in a very powerful position, because now you can learn to forgive these people. Instead of asking yourself the question, why did they do it? Ask yourself the question, what can I learn from it? And how has this experience enhanced my life? So well done for going through these exercises today. We have come to the end. And what I want you to do, the last thing, is to look at your lists, what you have written down, people you want to forgive. What is the most important thing for you to let go of? And the reason I ask you to just take one or two is so that you're not overwhelmed with all the things that you feel you should be doing. Because once you focus on one thing and then you achieve it, it gives you the kind of momentum to then move on to the next thing. And then I want you to write down, why is it that you want to let go of this one? Because this is again the power behind you being able to achieve this goal. So thank you so much for doing these exercises. Well done for writing all these things down. Now in the last vlog of the Decade in Review check-in, what we'll be looking at is the future. And we'll be looking at what it is that you really want to be doing. And we'll have a sort of a time machine exercise, which we'll be looking at as well. So thank you so much for tuning in to this vlog. And I look forward to seeing you at the